Hi, Tim. So start by searching Screencast-O-Matic. I don't know if I can do all the clicks because I'm actually using it to record this video, but um, I think I can tell you what they are. So you'll click here. Oh, maybe I can do the clicks. You'll click record for free. You'll click launch free recorder, and then this one here, launch Screencast-O-Matic. When you do that, you'll get like this little, you probably can't see it, but it's like this little shadow control menu in the bottom left. And you just click the play button and you'll see like 3, 2, 1, and then you start talking and recording. I don't usually use the video camera, so I'm not sure I can instruct you there. I usually am recording like for my classes, so I'm recording like how to do research in a database or something like that. So I'm showing my screen. So I'm not sure I can instruct you on how to use your camera. Well, anyway, so what happens next is you stop your video. So I saved to YouTube. I wonder if you have a YouTube channel. So I saved to YouTube, and it's been a long time since I set that linkage up between Screencast-O-Matic and YouTube. I'm starting to wonder if it might be easier for you to use like your iPhone. I think it might be easier for you to use your iPhone unless you want to try this. Perhaps you remember how it works. So, yeah, I don't know how helpful that was, but that's what I got. And if you need help, I'm going to leave you my phone number in the email.